Hi my friends, how are you? Before I'm gonna say anything about my today's lesson, I have to introduce myself and my country. My name is Mr. Jonas and I am from Ethiopia. For those who do not know the exact location of my country is found in the east parts of Africa. If you need more information or further information, I recommend you to buy different historical books which talks about Ethiopia. So I think we can get more information from those books. So once I've said this much about myself and my country, now let me come to my today's topic. As you can see on the whiteboard, I came up with this point which talks about what? Exponential function. As you know, exponential function and logarithmic functions are inverse of each other. So under this, I have one simple question. So the question says, find the solution set of the equation to the power of x squared, which is equal to 2 over 8 to the power of x plus 1. So we're going to do this question. So to the power of x squared, which is equal to 2 over 8 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, so to the power of x squared, which is equal to 2 over, we have to convert this 8 into what? Into exponent by factorization method. So 8 means 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 means to the power of 3 times x plus 1. Okay, so this is to the power of 1, to the power of 1. So to the power of x squared, which is equal to the power of 1 over to the power of 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, to the power of x squared, which is equal to the power of 1. We know that a to the power of m over a to the power of n. This is going to be a to the power of m minus n. Okay, so if you take this exponent to the upper part, it's going to be it's saying the sign of this exponent is going to be what? Changed. Okay, changed. Plus will be minus, minus will be plus. Okay, so minus 3x minus 3. Okay, now we have the same base, 2 in both sides, right? So 1 minus 3 is, so 2 the power of x squared, which is equal to, now 1 minus 3 is minus 2, right? So to the power of minus 3x minus 3x minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Okay, now as I told you before, we have the same base. We don't need them, just we can leave them. Okay, we can leave them. So x squared, which is equal to minus 3x minus 2. Okay, now we have to take them into one side. So x squared plus 3x plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We know that ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. Okay, so we have two different numbers whose product is c and whose sum is b. Okay, the sum of two numbers is b and the product of two numbers is c. Okay, so this is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, this means x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus, here x is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to minus 1. So the solution set of this equation is minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. One love.